Hello, it's Dan Bunker here from United Learning's Ed Tech team, and we're going to have a quick look at a very simple starting project for the Crumble hardware in the Year 5 Physical Computing unit. So I've got my Crumble board. You can see I've got the USB connector to my PC, for that's when I'm ready to send the program down to the board, and I've already wired in my positive and negative on the board input. What I need to do now is just complete the power by using the crocodile clips to connect the positive and the negative. Now I've got a battery pack that supports an on and off switch, which is just useful, but any other sort of power switch with where you can wire up positive and negative should be okay. This is quite a nice pack from 4Matrix, but others are available. Now once I've got my board powered up, I'm now ready to connect my LED, which is the sparkle. It just has a single light on it. It has positive and negative inputs and outputs, and port D is for the sparkle output, and I'll wire that back to the main board. So I've got the wiring on the sparkle done. I now need to go to my main board. On one side I've got the input of the power, and so on the opposite side I need to do the power output. I've used red and black cables here. Any cables will work, but sometimes good to use kind of conventions. And as I said, port D is the output for the sparkle. So when I connect that, that's my single sparkle connected properly. So I've got the power into the board and the power out of the board, along with the controller to from port D to the sparkle. So now we're ready to program it. Okay, I've got my Crumble software open now on my desktop, and we're going to work out a quick program to send to the Crumble board and the peripheries we've got attached to it. So I'm going to start off with a program start block, and we're going to do a forever loop for this particular activity, and we're going to set sparkle 0. We've only got one. By default it's sparkle 0 to go red, and then we're going to wait a very short space of time. In this case it's going to be 0.2 seconds, and then we're going to set sparkle 0 to off. So we use the turn sparkle 0 off, and again we'll have a very short wait there of 0.2 seconds, just so we can see the flash on and off. It's a very simple loop here forever. It's going to turn the sparkle red, wait 0.2 of a second and turn it off, and then carry on round until such time as we stop the program. So I'm now ready to send this program to my hardware, to the Crumble board. Click on the green button. It says programming successful, 1% memory used. We'll now go back to the hardware to see that program in action. Okay, so I've now sent that program to my hardware setup. I'm going to turn my power on, and we can see the resulting effect. So my sparkle connected on D is flashing on and off as per the program. So this is a very simple starting tutorial just to get started with your Crumble board and your sparkle, and we'll have a look at a couple more advanced uses of the hardware in the next video.